Line and wash, tips and tricks. Introducing line and wash, the art of clean lines and smooth washes. Define line and wash, explaining its essence and appeal. Showcase captivating line and wash artworks by renowned artists like Winslow Homer, Edward Hopper, and Thomas Cole. Highlight the key benefits of using line and wash techniques, such as simplicity, expressiveness, and versatility. Choosing the right tools. Explore various paper textures and weights suitable for line and wash, like watercolor paper and mixed media paper. Guide viewers through selecting appropriate brushes, including round brushes, flat brushes, and pointed brushes, highlighting their unique functions. Introduce a range of inks and paints commonly used in line and wash, such as India ink, watercolor, gouache, and acrylics, emphasizing their properties and suitability. Mastering the lines. Demonstrate how to draw guidelines and define shapes with confident and precise lines using different drawing tools like pens, pencils, and brush pens. Showcase techniques for varying line width, illustrating its impact on emphasis and depth, using examples of thick lines for bold features and thin lines for subtle details. Encourage viewers to experiment with different line tools like dip pens, calligraphy pens, and technical pens, demonstrating how they create distinct line qualities and textures. Achieving smooth washes. Explain the importance of applying washes in thin layers, avoiding thick applications that can cause muddiness. Illustrate techniques like blending and feathering for smooth transitions between washes, using color gradients and atmospheric effects. Demonstrate masking techniques with masking fluid and masking tape, revealing their effectiveness in preserving details and creating sharp contrasts in washes. Tips and tricks for success. Explore diverse color palettes and compositions, encouraging viewers to experiment with color harmonies, contrasts, and focal points. Showcase various methods for adding texture and dimension, such as using a dry brush technique, layering washes, and incorporating different mediums like salt or sand. Address common mistakes in line and wash, including uneven washes, blotchy textures, and blurred lines, offering practical solutions and preventative measures.